Lala bad, cause I'm a bad bitch. This doesn't have the same, it don't, does it? Well, I'm a bad bitch anyways. If you're new here, take the time out to subscribe. Hi everybody, so today I am sharing with you this. This is the IPSY Glam bag. I know. Some of my loyal love bugs know, y'all know the struggle I've had with the boxes or subscription bags or whatever you want to call it, beauty subscriptions. As y'all know, I quit that really major box. I'm not even going to mention their name because I hate them that much. My friend was like, bitch, you bitter. But yes, I am bitter, bitch. I am bitter. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about the IPSY Glam bag. The IPSY Glam bag, you get 5 sample size items every month along with a makeup bag. A really cute makeup bag, by the way. I've never disliked any of the makeup bags because they're just makeup bags. You know, I'm not putting my grandmother's ashes in them. They're just fucking makeup bags. People get butthurt about them sometimes, and I think it's hilarious. Yes, I laugh at you. The reason, though, why I got the IPSY Glam bag, because you have to be signed up to get the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Now, the regular IPSY Glam Bag, like I said, is 5 sample size items. The Glam Bag Plus, it's really hard to say with the list, is 5 full-size items with a deluxe makeup bag. I have not watched an unbagging of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. They're probably out there, but I haven't received mine yet because I just signed up this month for the Glam Bag regular. So let me just say, so the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. You have to be joined with the regular bag to get the Plus. It's $120 worth of beauty items. When you get your Glam Bag Plus, there is a waiting list, by the way. You'll get it every 3rd delivery after that, I think. That is the reason why I'm fucking with IPSY again, okay? My only issue that I ever had with the IPSY Glam bag was that I was giving away most of the items and or the things were too small. A lot of people told me it was because of my profile, so I switched things up in my new profile. And hopefully, once we open this bag, we'll see what I got. And hopefully there's some good things in here because this is going to be my second try with them. And hopefully they have redeemed themselves. So also in true Lalabad form, let's turn the camera around and see what we got. Yeah. So here's a bag. It's a basic canvas bag. It's got the IPSY I don't know, clasp tassel. This is gold. It feels like leather, faux leather, basic bag. Okay, it's all about what's inside. Oh, wait, that's pink. Oh, that's cool. That says rules were made to be broken. Okay, I dig that attitude. This is a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Babe Alert. This is New Moisture Instant Fix by Numa. Naturally addictive protections. Okay, so this is a hair product. All right, let me see what it smells like. That's what I'm interested in. It smells kind of sweet and kind of like coconut. Okay, cool. Oh, by the way, the size is 1 ounce. All right, this is Steve Laurent Blush. Rose All Day. That's a cute little basic packaging. So cute. So cute. Let me see. Oh, that's not cute. Looks a little ashy. All right, we'll try it though. Princess. Ooh, that's pretty. Do y'all see that? I guess this is an eyeshadow. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. This is a Morphe High Impact Highlighter Illuminator. And this is in the color Spark. Ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. All right, so let's turn the camera around and see how some of these products look on me. Okay, so I took off my lipstick because I wanted to try this lipstick. All right, so a friend told me when you get lipstick like this, use a lip liner. And I'm always like, nah, it should look good by itself. But I'm gonna try her way, okay? Okay, that lip liner with that lippy, I can do that. I can do that. All right, cool. Okay, so far so good. Next is the blush. Let's see what that looks like on me. I feel like it's not showing up. I don't see it. Do y'all see it? It's super subtle, and maybe my lights are not catching it, but it's super subtle. I like subtle blush. I like this. So far, so good. All right, I'm happy so far. Y'all know if I was not happy, I would let y'all know. You know this. If you're a frequent watcher of mine, you would know that. All right, so the Morphe highlighter. All right, let's try this. The eyeshadow. Now, I don't have any eyeshadow on, but I'll just swipe it maybe. Okay, I want to swatch it for y'all. Do y'all see that? Okay. I would use this as a highlighter too. Ooh, girl. Yeah, I would use this as a highlighter. Before or after. Who needs Rihanna's body powder? That's that right there. This bag was good. I really like this bag. I cannot wait to try the new Glam Bag Plus if I get it whenever I'm off the wait list. There is a wait list. I like that there's a wait list. I like that they tell you, look bitch, you on a wait list and it's first come, first serve. That is fair. I can appreciate a company that is fair. All right, everyone. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. You can't tell me I ain't fly. You can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly.